Good morning. Just woke up. Just had this batch of flexies from Zal's 3D finish up. Little skeletons, shamrocks. I had one fail during the night, but luckily with the Bambu Handy app, I was able to skip that. So, about to crack these off the build plate and start something else. Alright, let's get these things off the build plate. Tower. I love that sound. Alright. These little things are awesome. Don't mind the mess back here. It's still work in progress. But these little guys are sweet. Zal 3D. Definitely recommend subscribing to their Patreon. They've got a lot of cool little designs like this. You know, different seasons. So, next, about ready to change out these colors. I've got a set of earrings I'm about ready to test out that I just got done designing for the Easter holiday coming up. So, I'll be back in a minute. Alright. Got my Solo 3D filament dryer going. Try to always run out of that if I can, just because living in the South, we have high humidity out here. So, about ready to set a pair of earrings to test print, and just designed them this morning. So let's take a look. I'm going to be using black silk PLA along with a matte rainbow filament as well. Really like the way the matte rainbow turned out. Did a couple of these eggs with that. Really kind of like that. It was the exact same roll of filament. Produced both those eggs. So really like the way those colors turned out. So let's go ahead and start this print and see how they look. Alright, so the earrings are done. Did not exactly like the way they turned out. Got to change my ironing settings. Again, these were just a test print. Used the rainbow filament and it really just produced a yellow. I guess you need larger prints for that rainbow filament. I'm going to test them out again with something different. Maybe a different color, some pinks or greens or something. But got a custom box going right now for my buddy's Magic the Gathering dice and cards. And then about ready to start a test print. I've been trying to fine tune in the settings on my Ender 3 V3 SE. So we'll go ahead and start test print on this and see how it goes. Alright. Well, test print's coming out good. About another 20 minutes and she'll be done. Dice box looking good. Well, here's how the little test print came out from my Ender. Got a little bit of stringing. Not a huge fan of the way it turned out, so I just changed some settings, reducing a little bit of the speed and changed the temperature, and hopefully we can get a better version on this go round. Alright, got the last part of the box done. Got a few little stringies there that I'll be able to take care of for him. Got the lid, the dice holder, the other part that goes inside that also holds dice. I think I finally got this thing dialed in. I think I can live with that. Nice little cute little piggy from Zal 3D. Got 15 more on the plate. Alright, now last little update before bed. Got the little piggies printing out. Got about 12 hours and 45 minutes left. Designed up a little box real quick to print out for some of our game cards. We're playing a game tonight, Skipbo, and the box is trash, so I designed that to hold our cards. Got a bunch of our Pokeballs all done, all being held with magnets. Got all the magnets in tonight. Here they all are. Then we got our Pikachus and Gengars. Printed out a couple days ago. All ready to go. Y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching. And keep on printing. One last little update before I do go to bed. Eventually I'm going to get my area cleaned out. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. This right here is where my new printer is going. I do have another one coming, so I can go ahead and bump up volume. I did decide to pre-order the Anycubic Cobra S1 combo, their first core XY machine, so that will be coming soon. So I'll be able to run all three and keep production up, and soon I will have stuff up and running on my Etsy shop, and I'm going to keep printing for some craft fairs coming up in the Birmingham area. So keep on printing. Y'all have a good night.